Are you tired of spending hours on Photoshop or paying expensive designers just to create a simple poster? Imagine if you could design professional, high-resolution posters in just a few seconds, with no design skills needed. Sounds crazy, right? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do exactly that using a powerful AI tool called Dreamina. With Dreamina, you can turn a simple text description, or even one of your own photos into a stunning poster that looks like it belongs in a magazine or an advertisement campaign. Dreamina is ByteDance's AI poster king, powered by the Dream 3.0 model for top-tier quality. And the best part? Everything is generated in seconds. After signing up, you'll land on the main dashboard. Right here, you can either describe the poster you want to generate, or if you already have an image, you can upload it as a reference. You'll notice there's a plus icon. This allows you to upload your own image. Once uploaded, you can choose what you want Dreamina to reference: a character, human face, object, or pose. For example, I have this perfume photo that I want to turn into a luxury advertisement poster. I'll upload the image, select object, and hit done. Now it's time to describe the poster. Let's type a detailed prompt. Luxury perfume poster. Elegant bottle in center. Soft glowing light floating fragrance mist. Floral petals and sparkles around dark background, with golden highlights. Premium and stylish. Look, next I can choose the aspect ratio. Options like 3:2/1 to 1/9 to 16 or 2:3 are available. I'll hit enter, and within a few seconds Dreamina generates 4 different poster designs for me. Look at this. The results are just beautiful. The posters look premium and perfect for advertising. But it doesn't stop there. Dreamina also lets you edit directly on its canvas. You can use tools like Paint, expand, remove, retouch, HD upscale, or remove background with just one click. You can even expand the image and make it look more cinematic. Now let's try another example. This time I'm uploading a shoes image. Again, I'll select object and hit done. For the prompt, I'll type trendy shoe poster. Sneakers on urban street. Background graffiti vibes. Bold neon lights. Stylish and vibrant design. I'll choose the aspect ratio. Hit enter. And once again, in just a few seconds, Dreamina generates 4 amazing poster options. And here's something really cool. If I want to change the vibe, I can simply edit the prompt and hit enter again. Dreamina will regenerate the posters instantly, based on the new description, and the visual output is 2K HD. You can also tweak it further on canvas, remove certain parts, upscale, or directly download the final result to your PC. Dreamina isn't limited to image uploads. You can also create posters with just text prompts. Let's make one for a pizza shop. I'll type poster design for Bella Slice Pizza. Wood-fired pizza on a rustic wooden board. Fresh basil and tomatoes around. Warm lighting. Authentic Italian restaurant vibe. Then I'll pick an aspect ratio and hit enter. And just like that, Dreamina generates 4 different posters. They look absolutely delicious and give that warm Italian restaurant feeling. Again, I can edit these on the canvas, add extra elements or text, or simply download the version I like best. So as you can see, Dreamina is a super powerful and creative tool. And the best part? You even get free daily credits, so you can generate professional posters every single day without paying. Whether you're making posters for products, restaurants, events, or even personal projects, you can bring your ideas to life in. You can regenerate, customize, and perfect everything without needing advanced. If you want to try it out, the link is available in the description below, so make sure to check it out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.